time for books and blankets, and there's a thunderstorm outside right now. So you might hear the thunderstorm outside. You might hear dog barking in the background downstairs. But right now, cuddle in, get your own books and blankets, and it's time for Hernando Fandango, the Great Dancing Dog by Rachel Swirles. Well, that's awesome. Your name is Rachel Swirles. You better write about dancing dogs, right? He's clever, adventurous, courageous, and mighty, and ever so handy for storing a nightie. Hernando Fandango, pajama case dog, is the very best friend of Miss Adelaide Mogg. Now, all of the fun things they did together, dancing gave them the greatest pleasure. In Adelaide's room, they would practice each day jazz, ballroom dancing, tap, and ballet, secretly dreaming of a shiny dance floor with a crowd of fans cheering, "Encore! Encore!" And, as it happened, by the most amazing of chances, Adelaide's parents were real ballroom dancers. The foxtrot, the rumba, the American smooth, the quick step, the samba, they knew every move. Hernando and Adelaide never grew tired of watching them dance. They felt so inspired. Now, Adelaide's parents were preparing to be part of a dance show to compete on TV. The big day was near, so they shimmied and hopped. They twirled and they whirled and danced till they dropped. They sure did drop. Nice of Adelaide to bring them some tea. The competition day duly arrived. The dancing began. They waltzed. Then they jived. The Moggs looked so graceful. They'd practiced so much. Surely nothing could come between them and the cup. But with the cameras rolling and millions tuned in to see all the couples doing their thing, two couples collided. A dancer's worst fear. A pair of sprained ankles. The Moggs couldn't appear. The host shouted, "Do we have any dancers?" Adelaide knew this was the rarest of chances. She longed to cry out, but she wasn't that brave, and already a figure had taken the stage. Can you guess who it was? Who could waltz, jive, and tango? Of course it was Hernando Fandango. Courageous and mighty, pajama case dog reached for the hand of Miss Adelaide Mogg. She smiled at Hernando and, taking his paw, took a deep breath and stepped onto the floor. So they started to waltz, Miss Mogg and her hound, and as they danced, the best friends found that their dream had come true. They swished round the floor. The music was playing. The crowd gave a roar. Look, 10, 10, 10. Their waltz was divine, and so was their shuffle. Their cha-cha-cha caused quite a kerfluffle. And lo and behold, for the next big band number, Hernando and Adelaide were dancing the rumba. Now for the voting from across the nation. Who would be the new dance sensation? Long pause for effect. Ladies and gentlemen, the winners are Adelaide Mogg and Hernando Fandango, the great dancing dog. Everyone cheered. The nation was right. Hernando and Adelaide were the stars of the night, so Adelaide and Hernando held hands, hand and paw, and took their bow to rapturous applause. He's clever, adventurous, courageous, and mighty, and ever so handy for storing a nightie. Hernando Fandango, pajama case dog, is the very best friend of Miss Adelaide Mogg. Catch you later. You can do some dancing yourself on this rainy day.